Eero Jarnefelt was born November 8, 1863, died November 15, 1937. He was a Finnish painter and art professor. He is best known for his portraits and landscapes of the area around Koli National Park. He was a medal winner at the Paris Exposition Universelle of 1889 and 1900, and he taught art at the University of Helsinki and was chairman of the Finnish Academy of Fine Arts. He came from a Swedish-speaking Finnophile family of artists, writers and composers descended from the Baltic aristocracy. After graduating from a private academy, he studied at the Académie of Fine Arts, Helsinki from 1874 to 1878, the Imperial Academy of Arts from 1883 to 1886, where one of his teachers was his uncle, Michael Claude, and the Académie Julian in Paris from 1886 to 1888, where he studied with Tony Robert-Fleury. A major influence was the Naturalism of Jules Bastien-Lepage. In 1889, he married the actress Siamese Swan. In 1892, he made his first trip to the area around Koli with Juhani Aho and his wife, the painter Vennesold and Brufelt. He was impressed with the scenery there and would continue to visit regularly until 1936. Later, he made several study trips, to Italy in 1894 and Crimea in 1899. That same year, he helped organize an international exhibition in St. Petersburg, sponsored by Miriskistva. In 1901, he built a home that he named Suvaranta at the artists' colony near Lake Taisala, designed by Usko Nistrom. He lived there only until 1917, when he moved to Helsinki, but it is still owned and used by his family. From 1902 to 1928, he taught drawing at the University of Helsinki. He was appointed professor there in 1912 and served as chairman of the Finnish Academy of Fine Arts. His last major work was an altarpiece for the church in Rahe, completed in 1926. A major retrospective was held in 2013, which included several previously unknown works.